Hello guys, welcome back, and if this is your first time, welcome to the family. This channel is all about taking care of you. In today's video, I have a perfect recipe for getting rid of dark inner thighs. There are people that do suffer from dark inner thighs, but there are ways in which you could get rid of that dark area on your inner thigh. So keep watching. Now this is a two-part treatment. Part 1 is baking soda coffee scrub, and part 2 is tomato yogurt skin brightening cream. So these are some of the things that I'm going to be needing today. Our first ingredient is grounded coffee. Coffee scrub can help improve appearance of very dark and ugly patches between your inner thighs. It also helps in improving skin tone and texture. Our second ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is a good exfoliating agent that helps remove dead cells. Our next ingredient is tomato. Tomatoes contain vitamin A, which fades dark spots and blemishes. Yogurt. Yogurt is a good source of lactic acid, which has valuable acid that provides smoothness to the skin and controls aging too. Our next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer that is beneficial to restoring dry skin. And then lemon juice. It has antibacterial as well as antiseptic properties, hence it acts like a natural bleaching agent. And then I have two separate mixing bowls that I'm going to be needing also. So I will begin by making a coffee scrub. Add 2 tablespoons of grounded coffee into your mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add some few drops of lemon juice and mix well. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, go ahead, click on that subscribe button down below. Also, click on that notification bell so that every time I upload new videos, you will be the first one to know. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. For our second treatment, go ahead, cut your tomato into small pieces and blend. You can either blend or just use a grater, whichever you have on hand. And today I'm going to be using just half of it. This is our blended tomato. I'm going to go ahead and strain this. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt into your mixing bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of your tomato juice and mix well. Here we have our coffee baking soda scrub and our tomato yogurt skin brightener. For this treatment, you wanna start with number 1, and you're gonna use this to exfoliate the affected area. So you wanna scrub for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once this is done, you're gonna rinse off with some warm water. And then you're gonna towel dry your skin and apply your brightening treatment. Once this is done, you're gonna rinse with lukewarm water and your treatment is complete. Repeat the treatment 3 times a week until your inner thighs are clear. So that's pretty much it for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.